everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of the Merit Beauty Winter 2025 set. This luxe limited edition bundle came with their iconic signature bag and originally retails for $98, but I got it on a discount. So I'm going to go ahead and do a full unboxing, talk about what's inside, and share first impressions. Merit is all about minimalist, effortless beauty, perfect for everyday glam, moms on the go, or anyone who wants quality makeup without the heavy feel. So before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for all the future notifications from my videos. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. And it says makeup that you can live in, and here is the card. Vegan, cruelty, skin centric, impossible to mess up products designed to meet the reality of your daily routine. Okay, cool. All right, so here is how it comes. Here is the actual bag. I don't know if I like how that is, but it's nice and soft. Here is the actual product. Beautiful packaging. Tells you all the information that's in here. Very pretty. So I'm gonna have to rip it. Oh no, I don't. Very nicely made. Okay, or packaged, I should say. Okay, here we go. And ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, so the first thing on here, it is the, oh my goodness, it's a Cormier. Oh, okay, it's a flush bomb. All right, so look how pretty, and I believe these are limited edition colors. It's very pretty. Look at that, it has like a nice little shimmer too. Okay, so that's product number one. I'm gonna put that back. Next thing on here is Solo Shadow Sheen. It's the color in mink. Let me go ahead and open this up. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, wow. This is like a one and done shadow. So pretty. Yeah, very cute. Okay, I'll put this one back. And then this is, if I can get it out. Oh man. Okay. All right, so let's just do the actual little brush set, or brush. So here is, it has the Merit logo on there, and it has this little end here and a little detailed brush there. Very nice. Good job, Merit. Put that back. This is a, oh man, that's tiny print. This is called, I don't know what the color is. Let me see if it says it here. Signature Lip Sheer, oh no, that's a lip liner. Not sure. Shade Click Sheen. Okay, I think this is probably what this is. Okay. Ooh. That's pretty too. It's very sheer. Yeah, they're not joking about the minimalist thing when it comes to this. And last but not least, oh my gosh, this is Perfect Black Clean Lash. Oh, it's a little mini mascara. Oh, I love mascaras, and it looks like it's a wet. And I like the actual applicator. Very nice, and the formula looks wet, which I like. And I wish I could take this thing off. I'm gonna have to use this. Oh, okay. And here is the Merit. This is actually made in Italy, and it's a lip liner, signature lip liner, and it comes with a sharpener. Very cool. Let's check it out. It's a pretty color. Yeah, I mean, it's very I really love the eyeshadow, just first impressions. It glides very nicely. The blush seems to be drying on my skin. The lip gloss looks good too, but I'm not a lip gloss type of girl. But I could probably fill in my lips and do the lip liner and then do that, and it'll look really, really nice. And I can't wait to try the mascara too. So this is everything that you get in the holiday collection, the winter set. Again, this is a limited edition. Again, this was retailed for $98. I got it on sale as a first customer. So let me know what product you want me to test out first, or if you want me to do a full face on here. Happy to do that. Thank you again for tuning in, and I will catch you guys later. Thank you. Bye.